What is up, people on the internet? Welcome back to UPDN. My name is Akshat Taneja and today I have with us the OnePlus 5T. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I ordered this on 27th of March and today is 29th of March. There was no update on the OnePlus site for the delivery of this device. I have ordered this from the official site of OnePlus. Today we'll just unbox this device in this short video. So guys, let's begin with the video. So I'll just cut open the seal from here. You can see. So I'll just take this packet out. So guys, this is the brown box. Whoa, it says that caution, oxygen OS is so light and speedy, it may cause euphoria. Oh, OnePlus. So here's the sliding seal. Let's cut this tape from here and from here also, and just slide it open. Let's just slide it open from here. I'm telling you, this packaging is really great. Oh my god, here's the box and here's the bill of this device. Let's throw it away. And this is the sandstone case. It says OnePlus 5T and this is the box itself. Oh my god, I'm so damn excited, people. So let's just cut off the seal of this box. Cut off the polythene covering of this box. Wait, I'll just remove the polythene covering. So now let's just take it off like this only. So let's just take the phone out. It says 5. It says OnePlus 5T. This is the 6GB and 64GB model, as you can see. Midnight black 64GB, and it is a midnight black color, and the price quoted on the box is 34,999, and I got this for the same price. And guys, if you're wanting to buy this device, I'll leave the best buy link for the Amazon as well as the OnePlus site in description, and I'll also provide you with a referral link, and by using that referral link you can get this cover for free, and you can use that link and you will get a 1000 rupees discount when you check out in your cart with both the things already in your cart. You will get a 1000 rupees off, and you can also get other accessories instead of this. There are lots of other covers and earphones. You can get them for free or for discounted price, and OnePlus will give you 1000 rupees discount from our referral code, so you can surely go and check that referral link out. So let's take it out. Here's the phone, people. I'm so damn excited. So let's take it up. Let's take up the phone. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's here. Wow, it feels so great in the hand. Wow. So here's the fingerprint sensor, and I'll not peel it right away. Let's keep the phone aside and see what else do we get in the box. So let's take it out. What else? Let's take it out and see what else do we get in the box. Come out, no. Come out, no. Yeah, so it has come out. And here is this image ejector tool, quick start guide, and a really cool silk rubber type of cover. This is great of OnePlus for providing this. And this is the OnePlus's dash charger, and the USB Type-C, USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, and this is the dash charger for this device. Oh my god, this brick! Oh my god, this brick is so big. So guys, that was it for this video. This was just a short unboxing video of this really cool device, and I'll be surely making the full review of this device. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, be that cool guy to hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe to our channel as more cool and amazing stuff is coming up. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This is Akshat signing off. See you in the next one. Peace.